Alright, good morning everybody. Here at a client, and going to be taking care of this 2,800 gallon tanker and completely pull it off the truck, as you can see. So super ideal situation, actually a dream situation, to be able to work on it that low is awesome. Still got to use scaffolding. It does need some love. You can see these scratches going down the side of it. I'm going to try to get this out as much as possible. I'm going to try to improve it as much as possible. It definitely needs it. And got just scratches on here, none of them on tear, but it turned out pretty good. I'm just giving you a real good look here. Everything. The doors are always beat up. These kind of see it, and we're underneath some LEDs, so it's not going to be underneath natural lighting. So that's something else to note. So that's something else to note. As you can see, come back here.
Alright, so this side is pretty much done. I'm going to tie it into some other videos, but as you can see from up here, it's gorgeous.
Alright everyone, this one today is going to be a little bit different. This one is going to be polished, but as you can see, it's in bad condition. Now, something that I want to kind of show y'all on these tanks, and I want to show you the condition. Surface smoothness and pre-existing condition, the way that the condition of any aluminum or steel is before it's polished, dictates the finish that it's going to have after it's polished. Alright everyone, so wrapped up on this tanker, and I'm going to show you the after here.